Hello everyone, this is Parrish. Today is Wednesday, March 7th, 2012. Time 3:15 a.m. This video is about the planet Venus. This website you see before you is a website called space.com. And it has an article about the planet Venus. It says here, space weather explosion on Venus. And there's a video for it. You just seen the video of an explosion that had taken place on the planet known as Venus. And here's another article. It says, surprising explosions on Venus sparked by space weather. And I'll just read a few sentences. Strange, gigantic explosions fueled by solar energy detonate just above the surface of Venus, a new study finds. The huge eruptions, known as hot flow anomalies, or HFAS, have been seen before near Earth, Saturn, and possibly Mars. But the new observation is the first unambiguous confirmation of the phenomena on Venus. And there's a little more information here. So the reason why I'm making this video is because somewhere in July 2011 I dreamt about some type of explosion or sonic boom which was heard in Earth's sky, and I referenced that explosion to some kind of eruption that have taken place possibly on Venus. Let me show you the YouTubers, the video I made about, I guess. The reason why I said, I guess, about Venus is because on July 22nd, 2011, I had this dream of something exploding in the sky. And when I uploaded this dream in my YouTube channel called Captain Parrish, I said this statement: the red pointed star I've seen in my dream might represent the planet Venus. So why do I say this? Well, let me show you some drawings of Venus in a 5-pointed star. Images for pictures of Venus, 5-pointed star. Okay, here's a few drawings of the 5-pointed star which represent the planet Venus. Yeah, this is a good one. Punch this one up. Okay, even though it's shaped like a pentagram, conjunctions, well, 5-pointed star is also known as a pentagram. But in actuality, this is what Venus does. It makes a 5-pointed star in the sky. From point 1 to point 2, back to point 3, to point 4, to point 5. And let me show you, the YouTubers, the video I made about that explosion I heard in my dream, which I believe was a result of something exploding on the planet Venus. The name of this video I uploaded on July 22nd, 2011 is called Parrish's Dreams. Now they know what's coming. The dwarf star and planet X, signs of the times. I heard a great sonic boom in the sky. The next thing I found myself doing was that I left the people or the mob that ran to a building, and I found myself outside again. And then I looked up into the sky and I seen something shaped like a 5-pointed star in the sky. It was very wide and it was red. And then the very last thing I seen before I phased out from this dream was a spherical object like a planet. It was, how would I say, brownish or grayish in its complexion, had like milky or grayish, brownish, milky clouds on its surface, and it was in the sky, and it was swirling around slightly, and I picked up that this thing that was in the sky was projecting wind upon the earth. It was giving off wind. It was spinning somewhat, and it was, whatever its surface was doing on its planet, it was affecting the atmosphere of our planet here on Earth. And I woke up from this dream. I will show the drawing of the 5-pointed reddish star-like thing that I see in the sky, and the spherical object that had on its surface a brownish, a grayish, milkish type cloud-like formation on its surface. Okay, so this is what I seen in the sky. It seemed like a 5-pointed star-like object, which was red. Okay, and then the last thing I seen was a spherical object, and it had on its surface some type of milkish, brownish, grayish type thing over it, and like wind was being projected from this thing, from this planet, and also since that the Earth may have been slightly tilted. Okay, so let's go back to space.com. I'm back on this website called space.com, and it has a little article statement: as the solar wind flows around Venus, it creates similar space weather effect as it does near Earth. So in my dream, I seen something like wind coming off this brownish, as you see, this look brownish, milkish type object. Some type of wind coming off, as you see. So I believe I dreamt this, and this is possibly a complete fulfillment of my dream, or a small fulfillment of my dream. When I had this dream on July 22nd, 2011, I wasn't really sure what this spherical object was, but as always, the Lord always gives me more detail or more information about a dream He has given me. And I think today, March 7, 2012, the Lord had given me more knowledge about this dream. So as you see here, this is my artist rendering of wind coming off this spherical object, which is brownish, milkish, you know, in its complexion, and like it looks like it's wind coming off its surface, whitish, milkish in its complexion. Thank you for watching my video, and everyone have a safe day. Take care.